Hello, my name is Daniel Herrera Rodriguez. I am 18 years old. I am 1 meter 72. I am 68 kilograms. My face semi-round. My nose is medium. My hair is short and brown. At school, at my big age. Cheese, my mother, it's Argenis. She's 41 years old. It's 1 meter 63. She's 72 kilograms. Her face it's medium. Round. Her hair is long, straight and brown. Her nose is small. Her eyes medium, beautiful and brown. Thank you. Bye.